Good morning, dear students. I will give you exercise from the chapter 11. Name of the chapter 11 is the light, shadow, and reflection. And answer the following fifth one. First answer one is the question is the name two natural sources of light. That is the answer sun, stars, glowworm. Question is the name two natural sources of light. Answer 1 sun, stars and glowworm. Answer 2. Name three man-made sources of light. Glowing electric bulb, glowing glowing electric bulb, burning candle, lighted torch. Answer 3. Give two examples of living being which emit light. That is the glowworm, fireflies. Answer 4. Does the flame of gas stove emit light? Explain. A gas stove emit light. A gas stove emit light heat and some amount of light. Answer 5. State one way of making a non-luminous object to emit light. A non-luminous object to emit light by heating it to super high temperature it will emit light to a very small distance. You can see that answer the following. First one is the again you can see name two natural sources of light. That is the sun, stars, glowworm. Answer 2. Name three man-made sources of light. Glowing electric bulb, burning candle and lighted torch. Answer 3. Give two examples of living beings which emit light. That is the glowworm, fireflies. Question number 4. Does the flame of gas stove emit light? Explain. A gas stove emit heat and some amount of light. And fifth one, question number 5. State one way of making a non-luminous object to emit light. A non-luminous object to emit light by heating it to super high temperature. It will emit light to a very small distance. Question number 6. classify the following as transparent, translucent and opaque bodies. Classify the following as transparent, translucent and opaque bodies. That is the stone, wax, paper, reading glass, skin of a drum, wood, smoke, milk, leather, blood and dense fog. That is the transparent reading glass, translucent paper, skin of drum, milk, blood, dense fog, smoke and opaque stone, wax, wood, leather. Sixth one, transparent reading glass, translucent paper, skin of a drum, milk, blood, dense fog, smoke, opaque stone, wax, wood, leather. This is the answer 6. Now come to the 7. Answer 7. Question 7 is the sometimes you can see the sun or the moon behind the clouds. What can you say about the nature of clouds regarding transmission of light? So answer 7. Clouds are translucent in nature, hence some sunlight, moonlight passes through them. Clouds are translucent in nature, hence some sunlight, moonlight passes through them. Question number 8. Suggest two ways of converting transparent plastic sheet into translucent sheet. That is, the first method is the painting the transparent sheet with some light colored paint, and second one is scratching its surface with sandpaper. So this is the answer 7 and this is the 8. So till here you have to complete in your copy.